Guys, this is awesome. So GM has decided that they will soon suspend Corvette assembly plant tours, and today I'm going to explain why it's a good thing that you should be excited about. So let's get into it in today's video. So a bit of backstory: if you didn't know, the Bowling Green plant assembly is the main location where the C8 Corvette is produced and does guided tours that can be set up through the National Corvette Museum website. It's like the mecca of Corvette spots, and for some reason I have yet to go, and I really need to get that on my bucket list. In fact, okay, there we go. Anyways, going there, you can see all the C8 Corvettes being produced and watch them being built on the assembly line. Recently though, the National Corvette Museum dropped a bombshell of an announcement about the suspension of tours for the Corvette assembly plant starting in the week of February 5th, 2024. And according to the message they released, which used some cryptic wording in my opinion, it leaves us wondering what exciting changes might be in store at the assembly plant. So first things first, let's take a look at the official statement from NCM. They mentioned that due to the manufacturing advancements, all tours of GM's Bowling Green assembly plant will be suspended from February 5th, 2024. And as of now, there's no confirmed date for the resumption of plant tours. Now here's where it gets interesting. We're optimistic that this closure is a strategic move by GM to keep some major upgrades under wraps. Could this be related to the highly anticipated 2025 Corvette 01? We've hinted it at its arrival before, but there might be more to this story actually. The big clue in the announcement to consider is the mention of manufacturing advancements in the NCM statement. It's plausible that GM is gearing up to produce the Capture Test Fleet or CTF cars for the 2025 model year. These cars are crucial for testing and refining new Corvette 01s before it hits the street, and GM might want to keep those manufacturing processes under wraps, right? Plus, they've done this before with the Z06 and even the E-Ray as they were going through similar rollouts. They don't want people figuring this out beforehand. And the next clue to the statement is that you should hit the like button for this video. Now obviously it's not, but it would help spread this video, so if you're enjoying what you're watching and you want to keep getting more cool videos like this, I invite you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So thank you for the support. So another thing we should be considering with this tour closure is the update related to the rumors circulating about mid-cycle changes to the Corvette platform. And one exciting possibility is the removal of the famous or infamous Great Wall buttons from the Corvette interior. We mentioned it before in a previous video actually about that possibility. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out and then come back to this video, of course. But if this is one of the reasons, it would make sense that GM will want to keep that kind of change hush hush until they're ready to unveil the updated 2025 model. So a lot of really cool signs that the upcoming C801 is right around the corner. And if you're as excited as I am about it, you're gonna wanna start strategizing getting your name on a wait list. And I came up with a couple of key strategies to do that. If you want to know more about those strategies for yourself, definitely check out this video here to get in the know. And until next time, keep those engines revving, and we'll see you in the next video.